are hoping against hope that today is the day that we finally get rain. It has been unseasonably dry here. We've got one like sprinkle the entire month of May, and as farmers it is getting to be pretty critical that we get rain soon. The weather forecast says 100% chance of rain today, but I hope they're right. We've had some other times in the last few weeks where it looks very promising and then it just splits right before us or goes to one side or whatever. And so our grass is turning brown. We do not have irrigation in our fields and things like that, so we are running out of time as far as if they'll be okay before we get rain. So I did hang out some laundry this morning. It is windy enough that I thought I could probably get a few loads dry, or at least a load dry. It's about 45 minutes till lunchtime, so I think what we're gonna do is work out in the garden and finish a few projects unless it starts to rain, which would be the absolute best interruption. But we do need to knock out a couple of things there. I am so wet. It is dumping out there right now. It's the absolute best feeling. Oh my goodness. As farmers, I never thought I would care so much about the weather. But when you marry a farmer, you suddenly realize that your entire livelihood is dependent on the rain, which you can do nothing about. We were explaining to the kids the other day. Everyone is dependent on God for the rain. The richest person on earth could not buy rain. So anyways, it's a good reminder. We are so incredibly grateful for this beautiful, beautiful rain. It is exactly what we've been praying for. And we were looking outside with the kids earlier and I was like, oops, sorry. And I was telling the kids, this is what an answered prayer looks like. Show you what I'm wearing today. Actually, this is, what's it even called? Waist, I don't know what it's called. I'll link it down below, but it's from Flora's new June collection and I'm absolutely in love with it. Look at this. It's like this kind of like a linen fabric. It's a deep, deep blue, which is so pretty, and I love this little cuff detail here. Has a V neck. I got it in a size small and it is definitely very oversized. I'm trying to decide if it looks flattering or more like a beached whale, but either way it is so comfortable, especially for the summer months. I love more of these loose fit dresses and they're just so nice and breezy. It does have pockets and they're pretty deep pockets, I will say. So anyways, this would obviously be bump friendly. I shared it on my Instagram today actually, and a couple of you were asking if it's nursing friendly. It's not a stretchy fabric, so as far as that goes, it's not, but it does have a pretty decent neckline, and I'm pretty small chested, so like I could nurse in this, but it'll depend on your build and things like that. Anyways, very, very comfortable summer piece. Okay, let's just do a little haul of what I got from this June collection, shall we? So this is, I think, the Vermont dress, but you guys, I just like butcher it every time, so I probably should stop trying to name them. Let's just say I'll link them down below and you can find them for yourself. This one has the prettiest detail. Just look at those florals. Isn't that so beautiful? It does have a V-neck, and this is a stretchy neck, so with a smock bodice you could definitely breastfeed in this. I love the length of the sleeves. I feel like it's very flattering, and then it's about midi length. I'm 5'7". Can you see the length on there? And again, has these beautiful tiers. This is like a, I don't know what fabric this is. It's like almost like the muslin. Is that what it's called? Anyway, so incredibly soft. I wasn't sure what I would think of this dress. I knew I loved the fabric. It has that like linen feel, but I wasn't sure on the color of this. So tell me, does this make me look washed out? Otherwise, I absolutely love this dress. It has such a pretty fun square neckline. I love that it's not really low, so you don't need to worry when you're bending over, things like that. It has a little bit of a puffed sleeve, I would say, and then it has this little elastic here, which is not tight, praises be, and then the square neckline also goes around the back. It's just a really loose fit. Again, has pockets. I'm wearing, did I get this in a small or medium? I'll try to include that in the description box where I have it linked what size I got, but this would definitely also be maternity friendly, although probably not nursing friendly. One little hack though, like for this length of skirt, this one reaches, I don't know, a couple inches past my knee, but if it's a shorter and looser dress, something that I found when I was nursing our youngest, Abby, is it actually works really well to just wear biker shorts under your dress, and then you can just lift it and nurse, and you don't actually even have to wear a nursing friendly dress, which was game changer in my wardrobe when I was nursing. So anyway, little hack if you're looking for nursing friendly. This has got to be the surprise factor in this haul, because I was very hesitant on actually getting this dress. I wasn't sure if I would like it, if it was really my thing, but I think it's actually super fun. It is this beautiful like denim fabric. Again, has the little rolled cuff sleeve. Now the neckline, it is nursing friendly, so it has a snap, but it's down lower than I like. So right now I have it pinned, but it actually comes, whoops, with an extra little snap. So what I'm thinking I'm gonna do, it's not hard to pin, but I could also so easily move the snap up an inch and I wouldn't have to worry about pinning it always. I could just actually use the snap. It does have this wide elastic underneath the belt, which the belt is detachable. It has pockets once more, which is wonderful for mom life, especially back is pretty basic. I realize this might not actually go together, but let's first talk about this muslin top. I believe this is 100% cotton, and I absolutely love it. Okay, I did get this in a medium. I definitely could have got a small. It is quite oversized. I feel like even with a small, I would have got an oversized fit, but I just love the cut of this shirt. I feel like it's so flattering and would look good on any body shape. And then it has this little fun fringe detail on both the collar of the shirt as well as the hemline. I have the one side tucked in because like this is saggy baggy, but it is nice and long and like covers my butt. So I know I love to sometimes wear those over like tighter dresses, and then with a loose top like this can be really flattering. The pants are, did you even know they were pants? They are so flowy. It looks kind of like a skirt, but they are pants. These I believe are 100% linen. They have the little drawstring here and are this beautiful like blue color again, have pockets, super comfortable for the summer season again. Okay, I feel like this shirt definitely would also not really go with these pants. I normally, if I'm wearing loose bottoms, like to wear a more fitted top, but it'll work for this try on. I thought this whole crochet idea was super fun. Obviously you have to wear something underneath with the holes showing, but it is also pretty nice length. It's kind of a boxy cut, which can be fun. I love how the sleeves look. It has a really nice neckline as well. And anyway, I just thought it'd be a fun piece. Kind of gives you like beachy vibes, I feel like, with the whole crochet thing.
When all your hope is silence, can't find the silver lining, all tangled up inside and you wanna hide, you can run to me. And when you're feeling lonely, ain't got no one to hold you, it don't matter where they ran to, you'll be alright, you can run to me.
Okay, it is a couple days later now. I'm just working on final touches to this video, and as I was looking through it, I was like, oh my goodness, I hope they actually gain some value out of this. I think of it often how I don't want my videos to just be a time killer. I know your time is so valuable, and I want you to always leave with something whenever you come away from watching my videos, whether it's recipes, ideas, gardening hacks, homemaking, home decor, like whatever it is, but something that you can come away with and be inspired or encouraged by. And today I know we had a lot of just music while watching the rain or while folding laundry, and maybe not as meaty as sometimes, and which I really hope that you still enjoyed. But I was thinking maybe for today's little takeaway, I could read to you from New Morning Mercies. I know I've mentioned this devotional a number of times, but here is some food for thought that I thought was really good. It says, no person can be the source of your identity. No one can be the basis of your happiness. No individual can give you a reason to get up in the morning and continue. No loved one can be the carrier of your hope. No one is able to change you from the inside out. No human being can alter your past. No person is able to atone for your wrongs, and no one can give your heart peace and rest. Asking another human being to do those things is like requiring him to be the fourth member of the Trinity and then judging him when he falls short. It simply cannot and will not work. You see, it is vital to remember that human love is a wonderful thing, but you will only ever find life, real, heart-changing, soul-satisfying life, in a vertical relationship. You should enjoy human love, but you should look to God for your spiritual vitality and strength. You should commit to long-term, loving, mutually serving relationships. But you must remember that only God can save you, change you, and deliver you from you. You should be willing to make sacrifices of love for others, but you should place your hope only in the once-for-all sacrifice of the Lord Jesus Christ. Could it be that the disappointments you experience in your relationships is the product of unrealistic and unattainable expectations? Could it be that you have unwittingly but put people in God's place? Could it be that you ask the person next to you to do for you what only God can do? There is but one Savior, and He is yours forever. You don't need to put that burden on the person next to you. And I thought that was really good and kind of thought-provoking. Like, it's so easy to put such high expectations in the people in our lives and then to really keep track of, like, are they feeling this meat? Why did they do that? Why did they not do that? And realizing that a lot of these expectations shouldn't even be put on humans. They're too much for humans to carry. All of us humans fall short. We all don't measure up, and we all need the grace of God. And so to look for that fulfillment in God rather than the people around us. So anyway, I hope that is encouraging to you. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will look forward to seeing you next time. Bye, friends.
Golden, golden thing.